Hey everyone, we're going to have a look at how to use the Sculk Sensor in Minecraft Education to trigger a command. Okay, cool. So I actually have no idea if I'm saying this right. Is it Sculk or something like that? It is new. I know it's coming new as part of the previous edition that we're used to in education. I know we've got kind of the latest one coming out very, very soon. If not, by the time I've released this, it may already be out. But let's have a look at how we can use it. So what's really important about this one is it picks up on vibrations as you're walking, basically, but you can avoid it by sneaking instead. But here it is here, and what I've done on the ground here is set up a fill command, okay, to change the back wall, essentially. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down shift, I'm going to go hold this, and I'm going to place it down. Now, as soon as I move, this wall's going to change because when I move, I'm going to give off a vibration. So if I move, there we go, the wall changed. Now, just so if you're playing around with this and you're using this training package as part of the work that you're doing with schools, if you're doing the Learn to Code with Commands program, is if I just pull here, that'll reset the wall for you. And so then you can actually see that experience. If you see as I walk, it actually, you can see that little fly off. It looks like a bit of like a Wi-Fi symbol. There it is there again. So I'll pull it for you one more time. And there we go. So as I'm walking, you'll kind of see it. There it goes. And then it basically activates it. You can do so much more than just a fill command. You can kind of trigger any type of command that you want it to do, or you could, it's also just relaying a redstone signal, so it may do or power some other redstone contraption. But that is how that one works. I hope you enjoy using it. I think it's quite a cool little one. But we will see you again soon. Cheers.